Hello, welcome back. Today I have a little bit of a different type of video. I did these when I was pregnant with Mateo, but hopefully you guys like them. I'm going to show you what's in my hospital bag for baby number 2. This is the baby's diaper bag specifically, so hopefully this is helpful for some of you that are expecting. I learned some things from the first time around. I'm going to show you what I have as of now in my hospital bag for baby number 2. If you're new here or if I haven't been posting many updates, I am having another baby in 4 weeks or less, which is insane. So let me show you what I have. Okay, this is what I have so far. So a newborn onesie and another newborn onesie. This one just has a cute little design. A newborn kind of really soft long sleeve, long pants with a little hat, which is really cute. This is from Mateo. I love it so much. He was actually way smaller than we thought he would be. So he was in preemie clothes for a while. This is preemie, up to 5 pounds. And it has magnetic buttons instead of a zipper or clips. So I just love these. They're called Magnetic Me. They're so soft. Hopefully, you know, that will fit him. We'll see. I'm not sure if he'll be big or small like Mateo. Just one little burp cloth towel. I think that's all that we'll need. A cute little onesie. Hello there. And then we have this really cute little sheep outfit. Mateo also wore this in the hospital. It's so sweet. It's newborn size. And then I'm going to bring 2 swaddles. So we have this Love to Dream swaddle, which worked really well for us. And we have an M-base swaddle. This one's a little bit smaller, so it might work better for the hospital, but I wanted to bring this one just in case. I'm bringing 2 different types of pacifiers. I might grab one more. We never used a pacifier the first time around, but wanted to bring a couple just in case. Diaper cream, they probably have that there, but just in case again. And then this breastfeeding pillow, which it's called My Breast Friend. I like it better than the Boppy pillow, so I'm gonna bring this as well. Okay, so that's what I have so far to pack. I'm going to be using this large size Dagne Dover diaper bag. I just got it. I'm excited about this one. I have another Dagne Dover, but it's like a crossbody. I felt with like 2 kids, I need a backpack for sure. I know this probably doesn't actually seem like that much stuff. It really isn't, but that's because the hospitals here, at least in the US, they pretty much give you everything that you need for the baby. So they'll have pacifiers, they'll have the suction for the nose, so I'll get another one there, diapers, wipes, they even have onesies and hats and stuff. I am going to get a little name sign for the new baby. Like I had with Mateo, it was just like a wooden board and I filled out his stats and it was cute. And I do want to get him a little outfit too. Some of these are new, but I want to get another like little special one too, maybe for pictures or just something that's his own. I am lucky because we pretty much had everything that we needed from Mateo, and it's another boy, so worked out pretty well. I want to pack less, like a couple more onesies for the baby this time, but I feel like you really don't need that much for the baby. If you're interested though, I would love to show you what's in my hospital bag and Chris's hospital bag, if that is something that would be helpful for you guys, because I've definitely learned what to bring and what not to bring. So I've made some changes to my list. Just comment below if you think that is something you'd like. I appreciate all the support and the good wishes. I know I haven't made that many pregnancy videos this time, but we didn't do a baby shower and we have been so busy. We just moved into a new house, so that is why. But if you have any questions, I'd love to answer them. If you like these videos, please let me know. If you don't, just play on mute, you know? Thank you again for all your comments and likes and subscriptions. It really means so much to me, and I do really appreciate that. Comment below if there's anything that you think I'm definitely missing. Like I said, I feel like between what I'm bringing and what's in the hospital already, I should be good, but maybe some of you moms or dads have some suggestions for baby stuff. And let me know too if you'd like to see what's in my diaper bag. Well, I mean, basically, cool hospital bag. Because that will have a lot more stuff than this. So comment below, give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.